trip you are waiting for is approaching, but you cannot speak the native language of that place and you are afraid of not being able to communicate with people. You need to make yourself understood and you do not know how. Or maybe you want to read a book written in another language, but it's very complicated for you. Thanks to the following applications, you will be able to translate more than 100 languages for free and without internet connection. TripLingo. TripLingo is a tool for those who travel constantly or have decided to go on a trip to learn essential words and can easily communicate using the interactive phrasebook. Not only does it translate your voice instantly, but also includes valuable information on how to dial 911 in another country, how to talk about your allergies, or ask where the nearest hospital is. Google Translator. Free service that resolves linguistic deficiencies in another language, translating text, documents, images, and voice in a simple and agile way. Available in more than 100 languages and capable of translating up to 52 languages, even if you do not have an internet connection. iTranslate. It allows professionals, employers, students and travelers to read, write and speak in more than 100 languages, anywhere in the world. You can take pictures of those notices, menus, cards and posters that you do not understand, and instantly it will show you what it says. It is considered one of the most complete for its high-speed translation. And because it is connected to the internet, it has the possibility to access the database and translate emails and essential text messages.